Cat Ivy shares there is a free computer science and data science course on GitHub from the Open Source Society University. Okay, I am not familiar with that particular resource, but it sounds like something that might be of interest to some people in this chat. GitHub is obviously a place for a lot of ways to pick up Python code in there. So if some of you want to kind of look that up based on this recommendation, that sounds like a good place to go. J.R.E. says from Ghana. Well, good. Welcome. We get lots of viewers from Africa, so good to see you, Jay. Vedant9 says, I just started with Kaggle. I see that in competition, top scorer uses auto logon and use mode from different submissions, where I try to start from scratch and build single model. Is it fair? Vedant, I'm not 100% sure what you're asking here. Are you implying like some unfairness in the way people are submitting Kaggle submissions? Like they're using some sort of script, like an auto script? Let me know. Let me know if you want to clarify there, please. Or maybe, or you know what? Somebody else in the chat is welcome to answer.